Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to install and configure Apache Tomcat in Rhel8. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is Apache Tomcat. So Apache Tomcat is an open source web server developed by the Apache Foundation to provide a pure Java HTTP server which will be enable you to run Java files easily, which means that Tomcat is not a normal server like Apache or Nginx, because its main goal is to provide a good web environment to run Java applications only, unlike other normal web servers. So in this video we will talk about how to install and configure Apache Tomcat on Rhel8 system. Okay, so guys, let's begin the lab session. So for the demonstration purpose, I have a Rhel8 machine, and I'll just clear the screen. This is my Linux terminal. So firstly I will show you the host name, IP address, running release version of this machine. So I have the command hostname ctl. See, my static host name is rhel.example.com, and currently I'm using Rhel 8.0. Okay, and if I talk about my current IP, that is hostname -i, my IP is 192.168.0.1. So we have to follow a few steps to work with the Tomcat server. Step number first is install Java on Rhel8. So Java is a secure, stable and well-known general purpose programming language and computing technology platform with many interconnected capabilities. To run Java based application, you must have Java installed on your system. So for this, first update the system package and install if any available packages are available. So for this I use yum utility. I go with yum, and remember, yum repository should be properly configured. So I say yum update and press enter. Let's see what happened. Sorry, it's typo error, so I just terminate. Yeah, I go with yum update. Oops, again, sorry. Okay, starting from first repo, go with the second repo. Okay, it seems one package is available, so I just press Y and go with that. Okay, clean up, verifying. Great, completed. So now package is successfully installed, and let's verify one more time using an update. I think nothing updates are be available. So now move to the next one. Now to install Java on Rhel8, firstly we have to download it from the internet, and it is not by default available on Rhel8 ISO. So you can simply search or Google it from the web, or if you have a web repository in your system, then we can simply run the command yum install open jdk and press Y, and you can go with that. Okay, so but somehow if you have downloaded from the internet, then I'll show you how to install it. So for time saving purpose, I have already downloaded from the internet. I'll show you where it is. So I am on my root directory, and here I have a folder named software. Okay, I go over there and see, here I have two software which is I have already downloaded from the internet, that is Apache Tomcat tar.gz file, and then jdk-17 linux x64.bin rpm. Okay, so I have already downloaded from the Java download pages. To install this package on local machine, I can simply run the command yum local install and the file name, that is jdk. So I guess it worked properly. Sorry. Say yes. Yeah, its total size is 155 MB. Okay, it takes some time, so we have to wait. Process begin. approx 50% done. Okay, it's running. It's verifying. Okay, successfully completed. So we have successfully installed Java on this machine. So let's confirm the install Java version by running Java version command. So we have command Java, and first of all I quit from that directory, go to the default location, and we have command Java hyphen version. Yeah, it's successfully installed. Now we have one more. Suppose if you have more than one Java version installed on your system, then we need to set the default version using alternative commands. I'll show you. Alternatives hyphen hyphen config, and then sorry, Java. Okay, so once just enter the number, so to set the default Java version, because I have only one in the system, so I just go with press enter. So here we have successfully installed Java on this machine. Now move to the next step, which is install Apache Tomcat 9. So after installing Java on the system, we have to download Tomcat from the internet. I have already downloaded Tomcat 9 from Apache download package, or from Apache download web page site. So I'll show you one more time. Here it is in software directory. See, look at that. So what I'm going to do, uh, I just copy this tomcat tar.cz file and paste it under USR local directory and extract it and rename it also for the better configuration. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I move to this USR local directory, and from here I just simply run the command cp where root software and Apache Tomcat, paste it here. Let's see, ls, yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to use tar command to extract this one, tar xvf Apache Tomcat. Okay, and press enter. Okay, it extracted successfully. Now run the ls command. Here it is, Apache Tomcat hyphen 9.0.55. So I'm going to rename it for better configuration, or Apache 9. Yeah, great. Okay, now here we have, so now Apache Tomcat server is deployed in USR local Tomcat 9 directory. We can verify the content by running the ls command. So if I go with ls tomcat what I will do, I just rename it not Apache 9, it will be good for me, Tomcat 9. Okay, now see, ls Tomcat 9, here it is. Okay, we can verify the content of this directory using ls command. So here we have some directories like bin directory for contains executable files, configure directory for the configuration files, lib directory for store library files, and logs for store logs files, and temp directory for contains temporary files, and web apps directory for store web application files. Okay, so now we have to set the environment variable path in the bash rc file. So for this I have the command echo and go with export what Catalina, Catalina home, give the home path, that is usr slash local slash tomcat 9. Okay, and where I want to append in root dot bash rc. Okay, now this command will append the one new line in bash rc file. Then after update the bash rc file, we will use source command. So we have a source root dot bash rc. Okay, so we can verify the entry of bash rc file using tell command. So we can go with tell -n, show the last line of root dot bash rc. C. Okay, so here's the path. Now we all set to start the Tomcat web server using the script provided by the Tomcat package. So now move to the next tab, which is running Tomcat under systemd in Rhel8. To easily manage the Tomcat daemon, we need to run it as a service under the systemd daemon. The service will run with the permissions of system user called Tomcat, which we need to create it using user-add command. So first of all, I create a user name user-add -r, and the username is, I go with Tomcat. Okay, now -r used for the system user. So let's verify the user entry by id command. So I can go with id and Tomcat. Yeah, it's successfully created. So once user is created, we need to give it permission and ownership rights to the Tomcat installation directory and all of its contents using chon command. So we have command chon honor capital R recursive, user name is Tomcat, assign the group is same Tomcat, and where it is usr local tomcat 9. Great, now we can see if I go with the ls-l command. Let's see the content. ls-l long listing format. See, we can see the ownership changed from root to Tomcat user. Now we have a create a tomcat.service unit file under etc systemd system directory. So I move to the etc system directory. Here I am, and here we have to create a file name tomcat.service. So I go with my favorite vi emitter and say tomcat.service vice. Okay, or if you want to make a blank file, you can go with the touch command. So tomcat.service, currently it's blank. Okay, I'll show you the content of this file. It's blank. Now here we have to assign some important information related to .service unit file. So for time saving purpose, I have already noted these information in another file named important underscore file in my root directory. I'll show you root important underscore file. Here it is. So what I'm going to do, I just copy the entire content of that file and paste it here. Okay, so I simply type cp, where you want to paste it. I say in tomcat.service. Are you sure to overwrite? Yes. Now I open and try to explain each and everything. See, so here in the unit section, I have defined the description about this Tomcat service with related targets, that is network target and syslog target. And in the service section, I have defined the service type, user, and the group information and environment, where all the files are available related to Apache Tomcat 9. And then I mentioned start and stop Tomcat script path, which is wanted by the multi-user target environment. Okay, so simply just type the entire matter and save and quit from there. Now reload the system configuration to apply the recent changes using the following command, that is systemctl daemon reload. Sorry, it's not L, it's only daemon reload. Okay, now I'm going to start and enable it in auto start mode for the next system boot. So the command would be systemctl and that is enable tomcat service --now. So yeah, it's look good. So let's verify the current status of this command, systemctl status tomcat. Yeah, it's active and running fine, looks good. So it is running perfectly. Now move to the next part, that is access Tomcat web interface. So Tomcat use port number 8080 for HTTP. So we have to open the port also before accessing the web interface. We can use netstate command. We have lots of command, but formally we can go with netstate. Sorry. Okay. Hyphen tunnel up by grep. Oh, no need to going to do this, just simple type this one. I think it's there. Yeah, see, look at that. So we can see that it's 8080 it's available. So to open port 8080 via firewall, we have to run the firewall cmd command. So what I'm going to do, I say firewall hyphen cmd and go with zone, that is publicly zone, which is by default is available. If you have separate zone, you can just mention the name over there. Machine stucks. Okay, public hyphen permanent, make it permanent. And add the port, which one, that is 8080/TCP. Press enter, let's see. Yeah, success. So just reload the configuration file. So we have the command firewall cmd hyphen reload. Okay, to save and reload its update configuration, we have the command firewall cmd reload. Now let's verify the port is add or not using firewall cmd command one more time. So this time we will run firewall cmd and yeah, it's a case. So we have a command to check the port is added or not, that is list port. Yeah, you can see the port is added and it's open. Now we can simply access the web interface using the IP and the port number. So either open your favorite browser and type the URL, or I can also open Firefox from my terminal and point out to my Tomcat server, which is Firefox command http, and the IP address is 192.168.0.1 colon port 808080. Okay, so once I press enter, uh, it will point out to my Apache Tomcat web server. So give me one sec. So guys, you can see we can successfully access my Tomcat web server, and Tomcat include a web application called Manager app. Here it is. that is manager app, which is used to deploy a new web application from WAR file, RAR file, and apart of that, it is also provide a host manager application which is used to manage virtual hosts within the Tomcat. So that is very well also important, and with the help of server status, you can view the server status. So this is our Apache Tomcat 9.0.55, and so this is how we can work with or install Tomcat 9 and Rhel8. So finally, guys, this is the end of this topic, and hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with other new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.